Welcome students to Alibaba. The first thing you need to do to get started selling things on it is of course to register your own free account on this website. To do this, all you have to do is to go all the way to the top here and press on join free. Now, the next step for you to do is to come up with this information. So it's going to ask you the basic information such as your email and then more information as well. So first thing, type in your email. Let's put it in. Next thing, you'll be pressing on next. You'll be sliding this all the way here. And then what's going to happen is you are going to get an email from Alibaba, and plus you're getting a notification code. So let's do that. DTM and press on submit. So I'm agreeing to create my account, and if you do agree, press on next. Now a confirmation email went straight to my mailbox, so I have to go back to my mailbox right now, get the confirmation code, and then finish the registration. So let me get the link, copy link right there, and now I'm going to be pasting it right in here and pressing on go. So this is what you have to do just to get started on Alibaba. Next step is to pick a password. 6 to 20 characters long, consists of letters, numbers, and symbols. But remember this, whatever password you put on, it cannot be weak. So make sure whatever you're putting in here is pretty sophisticated so nobody can hack into your account. Location is the next best thing. So whatever place you're located, make sure you type it in. And if you're in United States, make sure you type in whatever state you actually live in. Now here is who you are, supplier, buyer, or both. I am actually just a buyer. Here you're going to be typing in your name and your last name. Next thing it's asking me to do is to type in the name of the company that you actually created. Now, if you don't have a company that you have created, that is totally cool. What you have to do is very simple. You can go in United States and start your own company for as little as 25 bucks. It is called doing business as. So all you're doing is registering your business as a company. Next thing that's also very important is to type in your phone number. The reason for that is quite simple. Let's say that whatever item you actually send is not really getting shipped to the right location, or if it gets lost in the mail. Now the postal company can contact you and tell you that, hey, this item got lost, or maybe it went to the wrong address. So whoever person that got it, it's more easy for them to track you down. So make sure you put in your real phone number right there. Next thing you're going to be doing is to pressing on confirm. So let's go and do that. Congratulations, your registration is complete, and now you're ready to get started buying things and then selling them somewhere else after you get them from Alibaba itself. So see you in the class, and I'm very excited to have you on board.